Hey everyone, today we're going to start with Python Hello World program. Create a new file. Let's say Hello World. So .py is the Python file extension. To print anything in the console, we use the print keyword. So Hello World. I'm just printing the Hello World statements. Let's see. Unlike Java, here we don't need to give the semicolon. Right click, run Python, Python file in terminal. You can see the Hello World output. So to print anything, we just use the print statement. And so if you want to give any comments in Python, let's say I want to give, I want to write some, this is simple Python console statement. To give anything comments, we just use the hash symbol so that it will comment out. It means it will bypass executing this line in Python. So that's all for today. We'll continue in the next section.